Is SPY going to 420s or is it going to 445s? That's what we're going to figure out in this video. Let's make a trading plan for the rest of the week. First things first, we're going to get into the supports and resistance levels. 419s, 422s, 424s, 426.50s, 429s, 431s, 433s, 434s, 437.50s, 438.50s, 441s, 443s, 444.50s, and 445.50s. Let's get into our lower time frame and let's make our trading plan. As you can tell, SPY all the way from last week came from $409 all the way up to 438. That is pretty huge. As you can tell, this has been a pretty strong resistance levels. We got rejected over here a few times a couple of weeks ago, and we've been getting rejected over here this week. This is my trading plan for this week. If we cannot break this 438, which means that we get close to it, every time we get close to it, I'm going to start playing the puts at around 437.20s to 437.70s, between those two areas. I'm going to be playing the puts, very, very quick scalps. Unless overall market sentiment is very bearish, then I'll keep writing it down. But other than that, it's going to be very quick scalps, about $1 to $2 plays every time, not so much. If we're able to break this $438, as long as, again, market sentiment is good, then I will wait for confirmation and I'm going to enter the calls. Where I'm going to exit is most likely going to be $441. I believe that if we break this 438, we will get to the 443s, but I'll play it on the safe side because it's still very risky. I might keep a few runners to let it keep running to the 443s with a very tight stop loss, but that's about it for this trade. If we're able to break this $443 level, I will play it to the 445. After that, it's a different trading plan. For the downside, what we want to see break is the 432. Now, I believe that if we cannot break this $438 on a few 1-hour candles during this week, then we will flush back down to the 432s and test this support level over here. If we cannot hold the support level of 432s, we're most likely going to the 430s. What I want to see it personally break is over here, this $429 level. I'll highlight it in green so you can see it better. Once we break this $429 level, I'll play the puts, and where I'm going to play it down to would be around $427. The market is still all over the place and might look extra bullish to you during these times, and obviously it has a good reason to, but I still don't buy it. I still don't trust it 100%, so I'm going to be playing very small plays for the next week just until I see that there's a clear direction. I always say it's better to be safe than to be sorry. You know, sometimes as a trader, you got to learn when to just sit on your hands, and this is one of these times that I'm not going to take a trade unless I'm 100% sure of it, until I get a clear direction. Now, if you find these videos helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Every single Sunday or Monday, I post trading plans for the rest of the week to help you guys out. It's a win-win situation for both of us. We'll see you in the next one.